Hi everybody, Mike Bates from Refined Fitness Studio. This week we're going to talk about what I think are the best exercises you can do for low back health. So this could be to prevent low back pain, could be to improve the strength of your lower back, could be to improve the mobility of your lower back, and it could be to help you recover from a lower back injury. Okay? Everybody's different. Everybody's your body moves differently, so these obviously are guidelines. Ultimately, if you really want something catered to you individually, then obviously you should talk to a professional, whether that's a personal trainer, chiropractor, physiotherapist, depending on the nature of your needs. Okay, so I'm going to go through a few exercises. So the first one, this consistently shows up on many of the experts that I follow, just a great exercise for your lower back. It's called the cat-cow stretch. So we're going to do a combination of exercises that will help you move better, and we're going to do some exercises that will help you strengthen your lower back. So this one is really what we call a mobility exercise. Okay. Some of you guys may see, so it's a cat-cow stretch. Okay. So hands underneath shoulders, knees underneath hips. I'm only pointing out because we don't want to be super tight like this. Okay. Our arms will stay locked out. Our arms aren't going to be bending. All we're going to do is move our spine through two movements. Okay. So this is the cat phase. In this position, I'm tucking my chin, my chest, and then I'm coming down. My neck is coming back. Slow and controlled. And if you've got a tight upper back, middle back, or lower back, you're not going to move as much as I am, and that's okay. Trying to get nice and tall on my arms here. And again, another look at this is I'm making two different types of curves each way that I'm doing this. I'm going to come down like this. Okay, slow and controlled. Some people, once you get the hang of the movement, it's not a bad idea to coincide your breath with the movement so you can inhale and exhale during each movement. So I'm like, okay, so that's the cat-cow stretch. Great stretch for just about anybody. I will tell you that in general, low back exercises in particular, it is really good if you've done a little bit of a warm-up before that. So even if it's something as simple as marching on the spot for 3 to 5 minutes, you really shouldn't do a lot of back exercises cold, like when you just wake up in the morning. So before you go to bed, it would be good in the middle of the day, but don't do it first thing in the morning when you wake up, okay? So that's your cat-cow stretch, okay? A great strengthening exercise is an exercise called the bird dog. It requires a little bit of coordination, but once you get the hang of it, it's not too bad. We want you to pretend like you've got your favorite drink or your favorite meal on your lower back and you don't want to spill it. So here and here. Okay? If that's too hard because you're all over the place while you're doing it, just start up with one limb at a time. And the goal is to get that arm and that leg up as high as you can without a lot of movement in the hip. Okay? So those are two great exercises. There's a ton of other exercises, but quite honestly, after you've warmed up or towards the end of the day, if you just did those two exercises, went through about 10 to 15 repetitions, a couple sets of 10 to 15 repetitions, that's a great way to improve your low back health. Thanks for checking in. Mike Bates from Refined Fitness.